Previously on Gunpla Note. Today we're gonna to do the paint online, and this time we will not do the screwing or tear it apart. We just go straight forward to do the paint online, where we can see. So yeah, I would recommend using the nano paint, and it doesn't take too much work. And you can see the whole process already. Yeah, it's not that difficult, and the outcome is decent. Hello everybody, this is CHN Note. So yeah, as you can see, we got a new interface today. Yes, just trying new things, you know. Hopefully it looks cool. And we're back to the GP02A project, and today we're gonna trying to figure out which part we're gonna do some modification and do some seamless the new gap technique. So yeah, I don't know how long it will take, but I think it's probably a while, and I will skip some of them because I need to figure out how to deal with this thing. And you see, it's so complicated, and probably the worst case scenario is that I may have to do two separate times, which means color the inside parts first, then I do the come back and cover the whole thing, and do the seamless gap. Well, I'm trying to just figure something out. Alright, let's just get started. Alright, now we finish partially, because I already told you the shoulder pad we need to do it like 2 times, because this part is like underneath this one, but this one need to do the seamless, the no gap too. And by the way, I fucked up a part, which is this part. I don't know what I was thinking, but I chopped that part off. But please don't do that, because this is the joint part, and whenever dealing with the joint part, you need to be beware, because you don't want to like the chop off the connection like this one. So what I did is not doing the seamless. What I did is like creating a panel line, which is exactly on the box. Hit it right there. So yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. I probably was thinking like I can like shovel in it if I like chop off all the extra, the keys, and just use plastic cement to good glue the top of it. But this is the thigh, and you may notice how big his leg is. So it's crucial for this part to get a good hold to it. Otherwise, every time it moves, you're trying to change the pose, like move his feet around or leg, stretching his leg, parts will ultimately fall. So yep, I goofed, but hopefully, I know this was not the first time, and it won't be the last time. Hopefully, it will happen much less in the future. Right? That's all for today's session. If you enjoyed this, please drop a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you.